What's good, y'all? This your girl Alashia XO, and I am back with another hair review. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. So the wig that I will be reviewing for this video is by Alipearl, and it's their deep wave wig, 100% human hair swish lace, curly hair 13x4 lace front wig, and I got her in 22 inches, and she is a 13x4 wig, and she's really full to be 180% density. So I'm just adding a little bit of my foundation to the lace of the wig, and I also did the same with my wig cap, that where the wig can, give scalp and it matches my complexion. And it also comes with an adjustable strap and 3 combs, so you can adjust the wig to your liking. But when I tell you they did their big one with this, they really did their big one. This is so natural looking. It's insane. I have not bleached the knots, nor have I plucked this wig. It came already as is. And the curls are so pretty and it's super soft. I'm not even going to do anything to the hair, y'all. I'm just going to glue it down and just show you the results. So I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you are wondering what wig I am wearing, I'll be sure to have the link listed down in the description below, including a code that where you can save your coin during checkout.
Give me all that you got now. Make you want me good and hot now. I'm gone, so faded, I'm on one. Bang, bang, pop off like a long gun. If you ain't lame, nigga, you ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boy. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. Make the money, make the grip. I be stunning with my click. Get defeated till we trip. I love to get on. I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong. When the drink be way too strong. Get ready to turn up, bro. Throw it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't let you go down, then go more down, then we can keep it in, let's roll. I love to get too on. Let's roll. I love to get too on. I love to let's roll. I love to get too on. Let's roll. I love to get too on. I love to let's roll. Yeah, we can get addicted, and all my bitches attractive. We go, you know who we are now. Get high, that box in my car now. You ain't making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boy. Get back down, young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. Make the grip. I be stunning like my click. Get it beat until we trip. I love to get on. I love to get too on. When the drink be too strong. When the drink be too strong. Get it turn up, throw it on up till you want. When the drink be too strong, when the drink be way too strong. Can't feel it, turn up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Can't let you go.
So here's the finished results. This hair is so beautiful. It's so natural, super soft. Love the texture. I didn't even put any product to the hair because I wanted to come to the camera and show you how this wig looks straight out the box. The wig came already pre-bleached, pre-plucked. All you have to do is just throw her on at this point. I really did not have to customize her or anything, and it just saved less time. The hair is full, the curls are popping, and this wig has no smell. And the fact that I didn't even put no product to the curls and the curls are popping like this, child, literally straight out the box. So I give this wig 10 out of 10. Make sure to check out Alipearl because they have some very cute wigs. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.